Bamndabe izolo ukhulumile nginenkinga.
Yes.
Ye-family. Kahle sengididekile. Yazi inkosi kaMandlala ke yasho yathi si too democratic indlela engilida ngayo. Yini efanele ngiyenze? Funanga ngibabambe abantu.
Hello guys, as you know, we still kwendaba ye-therapy nabantu bakaMseleku. Hayi, wonke umuntu akafuni ukuba right, akafuni ukuba wrong, that's what I mean. Nobody want to take the blame or nobody want to take the fall. Hayi, nangu uMseleku ukhuluma noMr Ndaba, uyabuza ukuthi where am I not doing right, you know? But when in his conversation or how he's asking, how is he not doing right or when kulaphi la kulekha khona, he is saying that it's being said that, you know, the way he leads, it's more democratic. So basically what he's saying, what I should say, the way I lead, ilula, it's too nice, yeah. So I don't know whether I should let them go, like do what they. I don't know at this point how to lead. Basically, that's what he is saying. Umseleko, what he is failing to look into, and you know, and more is more into himself, really, you know, himself, not about like probably how does he lead and indlela alida ngayo is too democratic and so all of that. It's like, you know, you're just avoiding to be responsible for what you are saying, but you are blaming more of the nice way you are leading them. That is why you are having these problems.
Noma ngibadedele. Yabona ziningi izinto. Now yonke leyo nto creates a lot of confusion. Yokuthi anginayo isho manje ukuthi what should I do?
Umndeni wakho wonke ubusebenza.
Yeah.
Lapha kwaMthombeni ngikhumbula kahle
Sometimes Mr. Ndaba have really good advice for Mseleko, and sometimes naye uke athi nje G esiding. Like here, uyamkutshela ukuthi, you know, basically when I'm Mthombeni inkinga ukuthi awuzange uhlale phansi and analyze each wife's character or each wife's personality so that you can respond based on their personality. Uvele nje wena wabona ukuthi you just lead where else it is different for each person, you know. But then at the same time, isn't it when they say if you have a sample, you need to do things, you just do one decision for everybody. That's what they say. So it's like, okay, you should have approached things differently for each wife. And from the seasons that we watched, that's what Umseleko has been doing. He has been approaching things differently for each wife. That is why there seems to be more a favorable one than somebody who's not, you know, favorable one. So this is why there are so many things happening, because siyazi ukuthi he's been a man, he's been a husband who says this to this one, says that to that one, like a lot of differences really. But this conversation he's having with Mr. Ndaba, it is quite interesting.
ilwa ngespeed besingekho isikhathi sokuhlala phansi ni process ifamily ukuthi iyaphi le family noma ama-vision bewajikjela ubukhuluma nalo ukhulume nalo bese kuba ne-disconnect.
Yeah.
So wagcina ungalitholanga ithuba lokufunda i-personality kankosikazi nonkosikazi ukuze ubudlelwane benu bu-informwe i-personality kankosikazi wakho.
Okay.
Well, honestly, you need to be be matured to understand this one, to understand what they're saying. And I know everybody has their own opinion, good say what went wrong. But I think the major one and the common ground we can basically get to agree to what went wrong here, it is definitely the leading skill and how probably things have been done to each and each different wives, because every time when the wives they talk or when they speak about things, they always speak about why is it this one is this way, why is it that this one is that way, all of that. And probably like getting so much advices from this one, I lead this way, and then that one says I lead this way. Why not probably you ask your wives how they want to be led, and they will tell you how they want to be led. One thing that Mr. Ndaba is also highlighting, which is very, very good, Samsombeni, hopefully it's going to help him. Ugusini, you did not study your wife's personality, and that is very important for you to do that, because probably if you are doing things based on how they like things to be done, you would have had a very good relationship with all of them. And that one, maybe that is true.
Uzwakala ngathi sewulahlekelwe ithemba ukuthi
Why sisaselapho njena sizobona uMayeni naye having a session. Niyamazi ke uMayeni, naye uMayeni uyabhodla. Mayeni is also having her time yokuthi hayi bo, nami let me release everything I have in my heart, in my mind, ukuthi hayi ngikhulume nami ukuthi what is really going on here, and that is what we're gonna see.
there'll ever be any change.
Yes, mina sisinonto mina sike sakhuluma kakhulu naye. Lokho akade kwenza yena uzocabanga ukuthi bekwenzela thina. I-therapy ayidingwa yimina. Idingwa uyena kahle kahle. Beyena.
The fact that Umayeni is saying, she's not the one who needs therapy, it's him who needs therapy, basically, because of the conversations they've had in the past and her relationship with Umselego and everything. Umayeni is saying, no. Akusiyimi odinga therapy, almost odinga therapy. I'm just here because anyway, I need to be here. But no, I am fine. The person who needs proper therapy here is almost Mayeni.
Ufanele azilungise ngoba asikwazi masiba ngaka ukuthi angathi thina semhlukumezile egula. Ngike ngambuza ukuthi yini engakuhlukumeza ngayo uma ngabe ugula athi ngoba nako kuleya episode sasixabana ngathi uma songingeza umuntu eqondile namanje ngisasho useleke umseleko.
Hi, Umayeni is just standing on her ground. She is saying, no. Because it doesn't make sense, everything that is happening. It doesn't make sense to somebody can say that we were not there for him when he was sick, when we were actually there, and he knows that we were there. Because I asked him personally, and we did see the episode, we did see the season, when Umayeni asked Samselego Guti, how did I make you sick? How did I really make you sick? And then he started stuttering. I know, no, stop stuttering. Just tell me the straight answer. How did I make you sick? Well, there's just always, anyway, 2 sides, 3 sides to every story. Anyway, I don't think we would see Umselego can say you would see, they played a role to make him sick if they didn't. I do believe that also there's so much of, no, we did not do that because what is making you sick is the things that you are doing. You are just facing your consequences and deal with them. That's why you are sick. We're not making you sick. You are making yourself sick, basically. And Umayeni is still standing on that. So go say, no. I am not the one who needs therapy then. It is him who needs therapy. Maybe if he gets therapy, he will feel a lot better.
Kakhulu, kakhulu. Noma ngabe egula, kodwa ingqondo yakhe ibiphila.
And I'm liking the therapist. She just keeps saying, Yakutshela uMayeni ukuthi yazi umusa usile usekakhulu. Although he was sick, but his mind was working 100% fine. His mind was working 100% fine. So there is nothing that he did not say that he did not mean, because his mind was working fine. But Mayeni is not buying it. She's not buying it.
Kodwa uyazi ukuthi sasibangani njengoba ngisho njalo. Awukwazi phela ungingiza mokhuluma nami. Kodwa uthi mawusuhleli lapha yana nifunzana iTropberry. Usuthi hawu ngenza ngibe young. Awusangingizi lapho ubona nje ukuthi nokuthi.
Yo, guys, the issue of Umakwela will always be a reference. Umakwela will always be a reference. That is why they say, no, you are not sick when I'm Selegu. You are not sick at all. Because guess what? When you are with Umakwela and busy with strawberries and stuff, no, when you're even saying, you make me feel young. And then when it comes to Mayeni, you start stuttering and all of that. Oh, Mayeni, Mayeni, angeka menze lutho shame. Nothing. Mayeni, she's another character that one.
Uyangikhuthaza ngeke usho ukuthi na 50 years ungathi ngimncane.
Hawu mfana, masukumina uvana ungingisa. Hayi bo kwakufanele ngisho njalo.
So basically, there was just so much jealousy and nje udiniwe ukuthi hayibo wena who's so up and active when you are with uSamke mase sewula usuyaqala manje uyangingisa makumele ukhulume. Do not get me started. Do not take me there. Do not get me angry because the same person that you are when you are with Samke is you becoming a different person with me. Do not do that. So it really took her off ground, and then unje wadinwa umayeni kakhulu.